Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Minecraft animal surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Minecraft movie surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. So I'm going to line up the corners and give it a nice fold right down the middle, so it kind of looks like a birthday card. Next, let's fold it one more time. And this time, it kind of looks like a big bookmark. Now, when we open it up, we have these nice little guidelines that show you where you want to keep the inside of your drawing. And I like to turn my paper this way so I can open it up for the fun surprise. Now, to start off with this, we're going to make it look like we have a Minecraft llama here. So, starting here, let's make a line that's just going to go right across here. Then we're going to make a line that's just going to go down. We're going to go over and then up in like a rectangle shape. Next, we're going to start right about here, and we're going to make a line that's just going to come up. We're going to go over, and I'm kind of making it a little bit bumpy too. And then I'm going to bring this down, and we're going to come all the way to the bottom. Next, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of come down at an angle. Then I'm going to go straight down and connect. Next, right here, I'm going to go down at an angle and then up. I'm going to go down, over, and then up here. Then I'm going to go up and then connect this. Then we'll make a little line down here. I'm going to make some kind of square teeth in here. And then right here, I'm going to curve a line that comes down. Then I'm going to curve a line that comes down. Then I'll kind of connect this into here. And you can just color this in too to kind of shape out the nose for our little Minecraft llama. We can even add a little line above each one. Next, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up. I'm going to go over and then down. And then over here, I'm going to go up. I'm going to come over, down, and connect. Next, I'm going to make a line that goes over and down for that square pupil. And we'll go over and then down for the square pupil. Next, I'm going to angle this line down. Then I'm going to bring this line down. And we're going to come all the way to here. Now, for the ears, I'm going to start up here. I'm going to make a line that's going to come up. I'm going to go over and down. Then I'll do that same thing here. I'm going to go up, over, and then down. I'm going to bring this down at an angle, then straight down at an angle, and straight down. Then I'm going to go up, over, and down, leaving some space in here. So we're going to go up, over, and down to make those ears. Now our next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Once we have this opened, we have the bottom of our llama and the top. Now we're going to add some other animals in here. So the first thing we want to do is let's finish off our llama. So let's begin by bringing this line up. We're going to come over and down. Then we're going to come down at an angle and then connect. Now we're going to make those ears again. We're going to make some long rectangles like this. We're going to keep them pretty close together. Then I'm going to bring this line down to here. And this line down at an angle and then straight down. Then we'll make kind of like that broken little rectangle shape in here too. Next, right here, we want to make a Minecraft chicken. So To start off with this, we're going to kind of use the fold as a guideline, and I'm going to make a line that's just going to come across here. I'm going to go down and down. Then I'm going to connect it. I'll make another one that's going to go down and over, down to here. Then I'm going to come up. We're going to go over and then straight down. Kind of bring it in, make a line here and a line here. I'm going to kind of color in like a little square shape here and a little square shape here for the nostrils. Now I'm going to make a little line that's going to come up. I'm going to go over. And then I'm going to bring this down. Then I'm going to bring this line down and then down at an angle. Next, I'm going to make a little square for an eye, and then another little square for an eye. Then I'm going to make a little square in the corner. And then I'm going to make a smaller one, and we'll color that in, leaving just that little bit white there for reflection. So make that square, and then just kind of color in the rest of this. Now, the last part here, we're going to make a Minecraft wolf. So I'm going to bring this line down to here. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to come over and then down. And we'll bring this down and in. I'm going to bring this line down. And I'm going to bring this line down and in. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go down and up in like a V shape. Then I'm going to make a line across here and a line down here. Next, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go down and up like this in a check mark, and then one here, down and then up like this in a check mark. Bring this line down and this line down. We'll bring this down and this down. Then I'm going to make 1 and 2 lines here, and then 1 and 2 lines here. Then I'm going to make a little kind of square line in the corner for reflection. And I'm going to put a couple dots here. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Minecraft animal surprise fold. So when we have it all folded up, we have a Minecraft llama, and then when we open it, we can see we've got a chicken and a wolf in there as well. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.